Hello, in this video we will go over how to use My Account through our catalog Encore and how to put items on hold. From our website hhpl.on.ca, you can get to HHPL's catalog from all of these places on our homepage. First, we will go through how to log into My Account and the features it offers users. If you aren't taken directly to the login page, click Login in the top right corner to log into your account. From there, you will have to enter your library card and PIN number. From My Account, you can view your checkouts, holds, fines, reading history, and reviews. Under checkouts, you can see all of the physical items you have borrowed and their due dates. To renew, click the box beside each item you would like to renew. Then click Renew Selected Items. Or to renew everything, click Renew All. The system will ask you to confirm and will let you know if any items could not be renewed. Under Holds, you can review all of your holds on physical library items. To cancel holds, click on the small box beside the title. Then click Update List. You can then confirm that you would like to update the following holds. Through My Account, you also have the ability to freeze your holds. This will allow you to keep moving to the front of the holds list, but will ensure that your hold is not triggered until you are ready. To freeze your holds, click on Freeze, and like before, click Update List. Remember to unfreeze your title when you are ready for the item. When it's your turn, your hold will again be triggered and you will be notified when it's ready to pick up. From My Account, you can also change the pickup location for holds that are not ready to be picked up yet. Through My Account, you can also pay your fines online. The fines must be above $5. From the left menu, you can also choose to click on Reading History to see your checkout history. Each user needs to opt in to this feature by clicking Opt In, and to opt out, you just need to click on the Opt Out button. From the left menu, you can also see any reviews you have posted on items in the catalog. To review an item, click on the star symbol under Additional Actions on the right side of the page when searching for items. From the review panel, you can score the item out of 5 stars and leave a written comment. The review guidelines can be found in the top right corner. All of the comments submitted will need to be approved before they are made public. Once you are ready, click Create Review. Reviews can be found below the title's information. Reviews will be from users of library systems across North America and possibly the world that use the Encore catalog system. Now we will cover how to put items on hold through Encore. In this example, we will put this graphic novel, Avengers of the New World, on hold. We can see that according to Encore, 1 copy of this item is available in the Georgetown branch. Click on See All to see the availability of each copy owned by the library. In this case, there is a title available in both Georgetown and Acton branches. Encore can have a slight lag time in syncing with the systems at the library. Thus, there is the chance that either item could be currently unavailable if checked out recently. To put a hold on an item, you can click Request It. From here, you can choose the branch you would like to pick up your item. To choose the other branch, just pick on the branch name and then click the other branch. You can also put a deadline on the item. If you only want the item if it's available before a certain date, enter that date, and after that date, your hold will expire. As shown previously, you also have the opportunity to cancel holds from My Account. Now click Submit. You will see this confirmation of your hold. When your hold is ready to be picked up, you will be notified by the library. Discover our collection for yourself. Explore our catalog and discover our electronic resources available for free with your Halton Hills Public Library card.